Okay, we're going to do our little sports bag. And because of these snaps, I use flour sack towel. I use flour sack towels for a lot, but it kind of helps mitigate that snap. I'm trying to get this as flat as I can, and that helps a lot. Then I'm going to use another flour sack towel to cover it with. Okay, this is our Metallic. I have my heat press set to 300, but I haven't adjusted my pressure yet. So I know I'm going to have to loosen this pressure some. This requires medium pressure. I'm going to leave it on 8 to 12 seconds. And this is a cold peel. There we go. And now we're going to put on our Chicago Bear. When I was making this, I realized afterwards that I should have welded these two things together, but I forgot. So I'm just going to put it down like this. This is only a 3-second. I think I need a little more pressure. 1, 2, 3. This is our mat. There we go. #1 fan, Chicago Bears. Thanks, everyone.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.